Hey YouTube, back for another video, and told you I had dogs. Well, here's one of them. He named Kobe. He wants to go play, don't you, Kobe? Yeah, you want to go play. Come on, go play. Here, go fetch the ball. And then bring it back to me, of course, because he tries to wait here, still there, and look at me, and he'll leave it. But today, how was today, guys? Yeah, it was pretty good. Talked to my girlfriend all day, like I do every day, guys. Came and did my review, which is I'm doing right now. What else did I do today? I played with Scooby. He actually brought the ball back, and I would turn the camera around, but you can't, I guess, on YouTube, whatever, because I'm recording it off YouTube. But yeah, he's over there. Don't stick down, he's chasing them now. Just got done listening to music off my beats. That's about it, really, I did. And then I ate. Played. No, I didn't play no game. I watched some of the season 7 of The Walking Dead because I bought the DVD. Just got done the second disc. Pretty good, pretty good. Even though I'm way past all that, guys. I'm on like season 8 for y'all Walking Dead fans out there like me. Oh, God. And go ahead and click off the video if you're a Walking Dead fan. You haven't seen season 8, or if you're planning on watching it, go ahead and skip ahead about, I don't know. Skip ahead to like probably 20 seconds, 30 seconds probably. But anyway, season 8 kind of had me messed up after Carl died, y'all. Oof. It sucked. I'm sorry I'm not really looking at y'all all day. I'm just outside with nature and mess around. Got some stuff off of Wish. I might show y'all what I got. Got me and my girlfriend some rings and wireless I can't speak. Yeah, there's some words I can't say. Wireless earbuds, Apple earbuds, rip-off com. I'm going to tell y'all what I think about them. Hopefully they'll be good. I think they will. But if they don't, then I'll tell y'all. And then if y'all plan on buying them, you won't know to buy them now. But yeah, what else? When you talk about dog, I just want to look off in the distance like you always do. Love you, Scooby. You look for your dog, girlfriend, can't come with shit. No, without you. Yeah, no dog named Tinkerbell. She's a big baby sometimes, but sometimes she'll be playing in the butt. But I love her. Ain't that right, go beat her off for more? Cause you always try and get around her, but she don't like no one really. Definitely not Scooby. She growls at him. Yeah. And baby, if you do watch this video, I'm sorry I'm not wearing my necklace right now. I just got done playing with Scooby right before I made this video, and as soon as I get done making this video, I'm gonna go play with Scooby again, which I'm gonna be done with it here in a few minutes or a second. That's why I'm not wearing my necklace, so don't get no worries. I'm sorry I haven't posted them videos yet. I have to find them off my phone, because I have so much stuff on my phone. Oh, and y'all, I'm gonna put this out. I had the biggest choice ever to move back where I'm from, which is upstate New York, or stay down here. I believe you already know which one I picked. My girlfriend does. I picked to stay down here because I love her. Didn't want to leave her because I know it would hurt her really badly and it hurt me. So I picked to stay down here and so I could be with her. Yeah, I know that. Just because I love her too much. That's why I'm here with her. If I didn't love her, of course I won't be with her. Yeah, but she knows I love her to death. And baby, you know who you are. You're April. Yep. Soon to be a Corbin. Yes, that's my last name, guys. But life's life, right? Right. Well, I may make another video later on tomorrow or a few days or next day after tomorrow. Cause I'm not gonna always upload every day, guys, and yeah. So guess I'll talk to you guys later, right? Got school tomorrow. Not ready, to be honest, but I get to school, right? So I'll talk to y'all guys later, or tomorrow, or the next day, whenever my next video is. So yeah, think about it. When I get really good internet, if we move from here, because I think I'm moving back to East, hopefully I really am. Once we get really good internet, guys, I'll start uploading with sound this time because I'll be playing them at home and all that. So yeah, I'll start trying to get some games back up on my channel eventually. So yeah, I'm really looking for that Far Cry 5. I know it's out, but go to freaking Game Heaven or whatever, or Walmart or wherever. They're always sold out. I guess because it's a very popular game and all that. But that's about it today, guys. So I'll talk to y'all later. Peace. Goodbye.